Hey everybody, my name is Ashley Rush, and I'm an independent creative memories advisor located in North Carolina. Today I'm coming to you with a little something new. We're going to be talking about some of our digital products on Creative Memories, more specifically our custom spines. So I'm going to show you how to create custom spines, what they look like when they arrive, and just a couple of tips and tricks. So I hope you guys enjoy. The first thing you're going to need to do is visit creativememories.com/cm/Ashley Rush. And then you're going to want to sign in. Once you are logged into the website, we're going to find the digital photo albums tab here along the top ribbon. Once that page is loaded, and it's going to load differently depending upon how fast your internet is, you're going to scroll down until you find the custom foiled spines option. So I'm going to click on that. And this is where we're going to get started. There's a place where you can choose your book cloth color and then your foil options. If you keep on scrolling, there's a couple of other really good resources. There's a video with a how-to, which you won't necessarily need because I'm going to be helping you with that. Then there are a couple of thumbnail photos with all of our different book cloth colors over the years. And there's some other like FAQs and just good resources when you get further down. So I'm going to go ahead and start. I'm going to choose my book cloth color. And I think I'm going to do, let's see if they have it, sea foam. All right, they do. I am going to be making a custom spine for my daughter's toddler to teen album. If you guys aren't familiar with this, this is a series I started maybe in November, December. I haven't done an update to it in a while, so this is going to kind of serve as that update. So I'm going to select seafoam, and then I am going to choose my foil option. So there are black, gold, and silver. And then sometimes those options are not all available depending upon the color spine you chose. For example, if you choose a black spine, black foil is not going to be an option because you wouldn't be able to see it anyways. So you get a bit of a preview when you choose. The gold looks really pretty. And in this preview, you can't so much see the silver, but I'm a silver girl, and I used one of the albums that already had some silver accents on the front, so I'm going to go silver. Once you're ready, you're going to hit customize. Then you need to name your project. I'm going to do toddler to teen YouTube so that I know that I made this while filming a YouTube video. I'm going to hit continue, and it is going to load my options. All right, it is as simple as clicking the box, adding your text. And in this case, I have two boxes. I have a box here that is going parallel to the spine. And then I have a very small box down at the bottom that is going perpendicular to the spine. So you can choose a layout that suits you best. So this is the one we're automatically referred to. Perhaps you only want a very small box at the top. This is the layout for you. The reverse is a small box at the bottom, or you can choose to have just the parallel one, either with centered text, right justified, or left justified. My personal favorite is the the two box option with the parallel and the perpendicular. I find that this bottom box is great for a year. It's great for a volume number, different things, maybe a made by me. But for this video, I'm going to just do the single centered box. So I've selected my layout, can close that. Now I'm just going to click on the box, which gives me a little pull up, and I'm going to type in the text I want. So I'm going to put my daughter's name. Kensington, toddler to teen. I know I want it centered. Now, I am seeing that this is very hard to see on my screen. So I'm going to change my theme just so you guys can see a little easier what I'm working with. And I'm going to do this Bermuda teal. That is a new option, guys. That didn't used to be available. If you decided you didn't like your color or your foil selection, you had to go back and start over. So yay, Creative Memories, for listening to us and giving us more options. All right, so you can see here, I've changed the colors. Now it reverted back to the layout with the box on the bottom. That's okay. I've gotten rid of it. Now let's adjust the text. Roboto Slab happens to be my favorite font that we offer, but depending upon your project, you may enjoy one of these others. Ooh, the airplanes in the night is a really fun one for little kids. This one is also kind of nice. This one makes me think of like a male handwriting, but just lots of different options. Dream Orpheans, also a favorite of mine. We've got things that are more scripty, great for weddings. Let's see. And then for you Disney lovers there, we've got a Mouse Memoirs. And I don't know, there's just really, there are some with serifs, there are sans serifs, there are scripts, there are prints, there are handwriting fonts, there's something that looks more typewritten. You can just really experiment with the different choices. You can also from here adjust where you want the justification. So I like center justification. You can try bolding things, but again, I like the Roboto Slab unbolded, and then you can play around with the size of your font. Now, the blue is showing you the size of your text box, and you want to keep all of your words within this rectangle. You guys see this gray and white dashed rectangle? So I've got my letters hanging down. This is not a good fit. Let's try. Oh yeah, and I've got stuff still hanging out. So I think the original, that is the best. Now all of my letters are within the dashed box here. And I think this is done. So I am once again going to change this back to the original color I wanted, the seafoam. Oopsies, did I go past? Nope, that's sky blue. Seafoam in silver. Change theme. This might affect my work. It just reverts back to my, I just want to go back and choose that center justified. All right. As you guys can see, there's this little pop-up that is asking if I want help. I don't need help, but you can preview it. This is showing you what it will look like when it is printed. When you are ready, I also recommend you guys hit save early and often, especially if you have a glitchy internet connection. Saving will save you in the long run. So once you are happy with your spine, you can add that to your cart. This is just saying that you have spell checked, you have looked at your grammar, because what you print is what they print. They are not going back and spell checking for you. So I'm going to agree and add to the cart. Now let's say I'm going to say add to cart again. And here it is in my cart. Well, maybe I'm not ready to print it yet, right? Like I'm working on maybe multiples at a time, or I'm saving up so that I can print a lot during one of the buy 4, get 1 free specials. So I'm going to clear cart. I don't want it in there. That's okay. I'm going to show you guys where to find it so that you can add it to your cart at a later date. You're going to click on your name up here in the upper corner, and you're going to click My Account. From the My Account, you're going to go to My Custom Products. And here you will see a list of all of your custom products. So this is spines, this is custom pages, this is custom albums. You are able then to either edit it if it hasn't been ordered. You can delete it if you don't want it anymore. You can duplicate it so that this is a handy dandy feature when you've created one and you want, and now you realize you're gonna have 2 albums and you want it to be the exact same. Just hit duplicate, it'll make another one, and then you'll be able to make some small edits to that as well. So this is where they're all listed. I can just click on my product. You'll hit edit again, and then you can add it to your cart from here. So I'm doing all of that we did earlier, adding it to my cart. And then from here, you can proceed to checkout. Now these can be added into your orders with your border maker cartridges and your papers, like they'll all come together, or you can do just a single order with only custom products. It's up to you. It's nice that they will ship them together so you don't have to place separate orders. But if you've saved up a lot of them, then you can do just one. When your order arrives, it'll come in a stiff envelope and inside of a Ziploc bag, so it is nice and protected. So now you guys are able to see what the final product looks like. So here's Kensington's Toddler to Teen album. Doesn't the silver look really nice on that seafoam? Also in your bag will be some instructions on how to put your spine in your album. I generally add my spine to my album last. So here's the album I'm using. I will, so this is why I chose silver to match these lines on the front cover. I often will keep the spine tucked into the back of the book. Here's the spine that goes on the book. I will keep the spines tucked into the back for safekeeping so that they never get lost and that they don't get bent ahead of time. So what did you guys think of that video? Have you guys done custom spines before? What is your favorite font to use when you do the custom spines? And are you team gold, team silver, or team black foil? I'm team silver, as I said, but there's always a reason to use different colors. I will generally try and match whatever color foil is on the cover if it's a already foiled cover. I just love the way that this spine turned out. It's so beautiful. It reminds me of my daughter. This is one of her favorite colors, and the silver just gives it a little touch. So it's perfect for her. If you guys are looking for more ways to connect, I would encourage you to check out my Facebook or my Instagram. I post daily content there, and it's the best way to reach me one-on-one. And if you're looking for more inspirations, join one of my classes or come to one of my events. I do in-person and virtual events, so there is something out there for everybody, and it's a great way to meet new people. And if you see anything in this video that you love and just have to have, please shop on my website at creativememories.com. And if you love everything Creative Memories, let's talk about you joining my team. I am really focusing on growth this year, and I would love to grow alongside you. In the meantime, I want to hear some feedback from you guys. I have a couple of ideas about next week's video. I'm thinking either a project recipe using the new Sun Rays for Days products, or I'm thinking a use your scraps video, or I can teach you guys a really fun hack using the custom spine option. So you've got 3 options: scraps, project recipe, or album hack. You guys tell me what you want to see, and by Sunday, I will figure out which of those options has the most votes and I will make it happen. All right, guys, I'll see you all next week. Bye.